4-3, you're going to identify and use corresponding parts. Number 5, you're going to complete the congruency statement based on the image here. So for A, we have triangle NMQ. So when we write it, it has to be in this order. So take a look where N is. Okay, this is where it starts because this is first. Do you notice it has the 1 mark? So this one has to have the 1 mark. Okay, then it passes through the line, then it goes to M. Notice here the M has the 2, not marks, I should say curves. Okay, so at angle N, it has 1 curve, right? And angle M, it has 2 curves. Okay, so when you want to write this, you have to do the same thing. Okay, so it is congruent to what? Well, you want to start here because why? Do you see here it has 1 curve? So that is angle S. Then it goes to the 2 curve. So that is T. Then the only one left is R. So you can say triangle NPQ is congruent to triangle STR. Okay, you have to visually see it and follow how it's originally written by looking at the curves or the marks. Okay, all right, let's take a look here. So CAD, let's see where C is. Well, C looks like it's in the middle. So this is somewhere in the middle. Okay. Then it goes up here to A. So notice it passes through 1 mark. Okay. Then it goes down here. So it passes through a empty place. So think about a person here, right? It passes through 1 mark, then after this, it walks down, it passed no marks. So it has to follow the same spot. So this is congruent to, let's start from the middle, C. It passes through 1 mark, so it can pass through CE, right? Okay, then it passes through an empty spot, so D. So there you go. Okay, so you can say triangle CAB is congruent to triangle CED. Now let's take a look. Triangle RST, where's R? Ooh, this is interesting. Do you see how R, we start it here, then we go all the way here, then we go all the way here. Okay, so it looks like we traveled from 1 curve here to a no curve spot visually, then we end it at a 2 curve spot. So that means we have to start the same way. So we have to start at the 1 curve. So that's triangle T. We move to the one with no curves, right? That means that, you know, they had the red curve line. So that's Q. Then we end it up lastly at the 2 curve line, which is angle R. Okay, so there you go. We can say triangle RST is congruent to triangle TQR.